In this tutorial, we'll add parts to the CMMS. Click Lists on the main header and select Parts and Inventory. Now click Add New on the top right-hand side. Add the part number. Add the part description. Next, add the standard cost for the item. Add a barcode if available. Finally, add the part image so users can recognize it quickly in stores. Click Save. The part is now added to the system and we are directed to the part record. Now we need to add storage locations for the part. Please note that you should have your part storeroom already added to the system using the Add Assets tutorial. Click Storage Locations on the left-hand side and click Add New. The part will be stored in the parts warehouse. The storage bin field is a text field, so add as little or as much information as needed so the part is quickly found. Let's say this part is in aisle 1, cabinet 3, drawer 2, bin 24. Now your storeroom may be laid out differently, so choose a convention that suits your business. We want to hold a maximum of 12 of these parts and a minimum of 2. When we fall below 2, the system will notify the relevant users that this part is low stock. And right now, we have 7 in stores. Repeat the process for all other storage locations. Once businesses are added to the CMMS, you can always come back and add the supplier information if needed. That's it for this tutorial. It's now time to add your parts.